Imagination is more important than IQ. Logic will take you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Albert Einstein. Yes, let's move into the lesson. The power of imagination. Why do you think that imagination is an important part of our intelligence? Reflect on the quote of Albert Einstein given at the top of the chapter. So we think that imagination is more important part of our intelligence. Yes, according to the quote said by Albert Einstein. So what they are telling, logic takes us from A to B and imagination will take you everywhere. So என்ன சொல்றாங்க, imagination தான் வந்து நம்மளை எல்லா இடத்துக்கும் கூட்டிட்டு போகும். So imagination is more powerful. Our imagination can take us to different world at an instant. Close your eyes and imagine that you are in a garden and you will instantly see yourself in the garden. So children, try to close your eyes. Yes, when we close our eyes and imagine you are in a garden. So you are thinking you are in a garden. So அப்போ நமக்கு என்ன ஆகும், நம்ம கார்டனில் இருக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீல் கிடைக்கும். Yes or no? Yes. So you can imagine different types of trees and flowers. See how powerful our brain is that it can transport us into a different world immediately. ஸோ நம்ம பிரெயின்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணும், நம்ம இமேஜின் பண்ண அடுத்த செகண்டே நம்மளை வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வேர்ல்டுக்குள்ளே கூட்டிகிட்டு போயிடும். Isn't that true? Yes. That is the power of our mind and imagination. And of all the living creatures that God has created, human beings are the only ones to be blessed with the power of imagination. So God create panna creatures la the best is human beings. Who are human beings? We are called the human beings. Nama human beings da vandu blessed. Why? Because we have the power of imagination. Namakku da andha karpanai thiran irukku. So we only have the power of imagination. Imagination helps to overcome the odds. So what is odds, children? Odds means kashtangal, negativity. So imagination helps to overcome the odds. So they given two example of two stories relating with imagination. Let's see. Gerenda Weissman Kling. Gerenda Weissman Kling was born in Poland in 1924. When she was 18 years old, she was separated from her parents during Second World War and sent to 5 different labor camps. So Gerenda Weissman Kling, see this old lady, she is called the Gerenda Weissman Kling. So she was born in Poland. Poland is a country. So she was born in Poland in 1924. She was 18 years old. So when she was 18, she was separated from her parents. அவளுக்கு 18 years ஆன உடனே செகண்ட் வேர்ல்டு வார் டைமில் அவங்க அம்மா அப்பா கிட்ட இருந்து பிரிஞ்சு வந்துட்டா. Yes, and she was sent to 5 different labor camps. அப்போல்லாம் நிறைய லேபர் கேம்ப் இருக்கும், ஒர்க்கிங் கேம்ப்ஸ். அந்த கேம்ப்க்கு வந்து இவளை அனுப்பிட்டாங்க. On 29th January 1945, Gerenda was among 4,000 women who began the 350-mile death march to avoid the advance of the Allied forces. So on 29th January, Gerenda வந்து யார் கூட ஜாயின் பண்ணியிருக்கா, 4,000 women கூட ஜாயின் பண்ணி 350-mile death march அப்படின்னா ஒரு போராட்டம் மாதிரி. அந்த போராட்டத்தில் ஜெரண்டாவும் one of the member. She was one of fewer than 120 women who survived the cold weather, hunger and other hardships. Despite such cruel conditions, Gerenda never lost the will to live. So 4,000 women அந்த போராட்டத்தில் இருந்தாங்க. கடைசியில் எத்தனை பேர் இருந்தாங்க? 120 women. 120 women மட்டும்தான் உயிரோடு இருந்தாங்க. Others all were dead. ஸோ அந்த 120 women அந்த கோல்டு வெதர், பசி, இது எல்லாமே அந்த கஷ்டங்கள் எல்லாத்தையுமே தாண்டி வந்த 120 womenல ஒருத்தி தான் ஜெரண்டா வைஸ்மன் கிளிங். So she struggled all the condition, but Geranda never lost the will to live. அவளோட மைண்டில் என்ன இருக்கும், நம்ம எப்போவுமே லிவ் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு எண்ணம் இருந்துகிட்டே இருந்துச்சு. So that made her to live. When she was asked how she survived, she said it was her imagination that saved her. So எல்லாரும் கேட்குறாங்க, how did you survive? What she is telling, my imagination helped me. அவளோட கற்பனை திறன் தான் அவளுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிருச்சு. Yes, during the death march in the winter of 1945, she imagined that after the war she would hold a party. She spent nearly whole day trying to solve her difficulty about what she would wear, a red velvet dress or a blue one. So when everyone asked her how she survived, she's telling that the whole winter march, அந்த full போராட்டத்துலேயே அவள் வந்து எதை பற்றி இமேஜின் பண்ணியிருக்கா, she imagined herself in a party, ஒரு பார்ட்டிக்கு ரெடி ஆகிற மாதிரியும், and she would wear, அவள் என்ன ட்ரெஸ் வேர் பண்ணணும், a red velvet dress or a blue one, ட்ரெஸ் டிசைட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி, அந்த மாதிரி அவள் வந்து she is imagining a story of herself. And this is what she had to say on imagination. So what Geranda is telling on imagination, but you could occupy your minds and hang your thoughts on a triune of that nature and it became very important. This is how you pass the hours and forget the hunger and the cold. I do believe that if you were blessed with imagination, you could work that. If unfortunately you were a person that faced reality, I think you didn't have much of a chance. So imagination பற்றி ஜெரண்டா என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, she is telling that if you occupy your mind with thoughts, நம்ம மைண்ட் ஃபுல்லாக தாட்ஸ் இருந்துகிட்டே இருந்தால் அந்த பசி தூக்கம் இதெல்லாமே எதுவுமே தெரியாது. So this made me to overcome the war. But if you are a person who is facing reality, இல்லை நான் வந்து ரியாலிட்டியில் மட்டும்தான் இருப்பேன், இமேஜினேஷன் பண்ண மாட்டேன்னா, so that will be very difficult. But if you have the imagination power, you can overcome any difficulty. Who is telling that? Geranda Weissman Klink. And the next person is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold Schwarzenegger, who became Mr. Universe 5 times, says as long as your mind can imagine that you can do something, then you actually can. I visualized and imagined myself being already there as a winner. It is a mind over everything else. So Arnold என்ன சொல்கிறாரு, he was the Mr. Universe 5 times. அந்த டைட்டில் நான் எப்படி வின் பண்ணேன், he is telling his story. He is telling that as long as your mind can imagine, உங்களோட மைண்ட் வந்து இமேஜின் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கும். வாட் டஸ் ஹீ இமேஜின், ஹீ ஹாஸ் இமேஜின் தட் இவரோட ப்ராக்டிஸ் டைம்லேயே இவர் தான் வின்னர் அப்படின்னு இவரை இமேஜின் பண்ணிப்பார். ஸோ தட் இமேஜினேஷன் ஹேஸ் brought him to this place. It is mind over everything else. So what Arnold is telling, நம்மளோட மைண்ட் தான் எல்லாத்துக்குமே காரணம். Yes, did you all understand the lesson? Imagination is more important than IQ. Write T for true and F for false statements. Our imagination can take us to a different world in an instinct. Yes, our imagination power is true. So true. All living creatures have been blessed with power of imagination. False. Yeah, because only human beings have the power of imagination. Imagination does not give us the power to win. False. People who are realistic find it more difficult to imagine. Yes, நம்ம வந்து இல்லை ரியலிஸ்டிக்காக தான் இருக்கோம், நிஜத்தை மட்டும்தான் நம்புவோம் அப்படின்னா imagination is difficult. True. When we imagine, we remain mentally alert. True. Yes, I can and I will. I will use my imagination to come up with new ideas. Yes, we all can do that. We can use our imagination power. I will read storybooks to enhance my imagination. Yes, this is a good habit, is reading. So we all will read storybooks. Yes, we can do it. I will always remember that imagination drives us. I will use imagination to motivate myself and remain positive. So imagination will help us to remain positive. Find out if you have a sense of imagination by ticking Y or N? Y means yes, N means no. Let's see. I enjoy daydreaming. Pagal kanavu kaandradhu elladhukku pidikkum. Yes, so yes. I often imagine myself to be in a strange place from where I try to escape. Yes, we will imagine ourselves like the scenes come in the movie. We get caught in a strange place. Yes. People find me very imaginative. Yes, I enjoy reading stories where people are imaginative. So in storybooks, the cartoons are always imaginative. Yes, whenever I feel weak, I imagine that I am running, then I feel better. So most of the time I don't imagine children. If you feel that, yes, you can write. Though I enjoy being imaginative, I focus on what is going on around me. Yes, I use my imagination to write essays. Yes, when we write essays, நம்ம வந்து கதை கதையாக எழுதுவோம் இல்லையா? Yes. Whenever I am down, I imagine that things will get better. Yes. I exercise my mind through imagination. Yes, நம்ம எப்போவுமே இமேஜின் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்போம். Yes, we keep imagining. From this chapter, I have learned imagination is our greatest strength. From now on, I will make sure I will use my imagination power. From now on, I will avoid being low, weak, and negative. A message for myself: imagination is more important than knowledge. Tipping point: cultivate a good hobby. So we all know what is hobby. So try to cultivate a good hobby.